Hi guys, this is Sendil. I just want to share my journey to topping the deep learning ProTAD exam at NPTEL IIT Kharagpur. Yeah, today I'm bursting with joy and gratitude as I share with you the significant achievement in my academic journey. I recently cleared the deep learning ProTAD exam from NPTEL IIT Kharagpur with flying colors, and I'm thrilled to announce that I'm emerged as a topper of the course. In this video, right, I want to express my happiness, gratitude, and share the invaluable subject knowledge which I was gained throughout that incredible course. But first of all, you have to know, right, what is that NPTEL, right? So, and this is the deep learning course. Before diving into the details, let's brief about what is that NPTEL and what is this deep learning course offered by the IIT Kharagpur. NPTEL, the National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. I believe it is a joint initiative by IIT and the IISc to provide a quality education online. The deep learning course offered by IIT Kharagpur is designed to equip learners with a comprehensive understanding of the principles, algorithms, and applications of deep learning. Let me talk about my journey and commitment when I was registered through this course. First of all, I will take you through my personal journey of how I embarked in this course and and the dedication and commitment it required. From day one, what I realized that is the deep learning is a complex and rapidly evolving field, but I was determined to conquer it. I dedicated countless hours to studying and practicing and seeking a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Being said that, I just literally spent around 1 or 2 hours daily for this course when I was free outside of my office work, because I was a professional and I was working in one of the private IT software company. But I just spared to just 1 or 2 hours daily for this course. I just want to show my gratitude to the professors of the NPTEL team. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to the professors and the entire NPTEL team and the entire the meticulous course design and engaging lectures, and the comprehensive study materials played a pivotal role in my success. The professor's expertise and the passion, I believe the professor name is Biswash. His passion was for teaching was very evident in every module and the chapters, because it was having around 8 weeks program and it has some around 40 chapters, each week having 5 chapters. But it makes my learning experience truly remarkable, because he was teaching very explanatory, and he was teaching and he was explaining each module repeatedly and making sure each person is understanding bit by bit. So now let's talk about the course content, and now let's jump into the subject knowledge and which I was gained throughout that course. I will highlight the key topics covered, because it will help you when you register in the future for this course. It will be helping you. Okay, so what are the key topics and highlights covered during this course, on how they contributed to my understanding of deep learning here, or here are my few areas that stood out for me. Fundamentals of deep learning. It started with the basics, understanding of the neural networks, activation functions, and back propagations. That is how it started, but before that, there was a few introduction on what is the difference between the machine learning and deep learning, on the fundas, what is the actual basic difference which we are getting out of neural network. But after that, it just laid out the strong foundation to the subsequent topics, because subsequent topics, the future topics from week 5 and week 6, it comes around the convolutional neural networks. because the convolutional neural networks are essential for image recognition, computer vision, and I learned how to design and train that CNN modules and models, right? And the practical applications were mind blowing. uh, and I think that there were some 2 weeks which is also a little bit touching upon the recurrent neural networks, and also crucial for tasks involving the sequential data, such as it is not very in depth, but it was like there is a natural language processing and CPG recognition, but there were a lot of topics covered from the convolutional neural networks and doing the image recognition, and also the generational adversarial networks, right? So how we will do that auto encoding and generative face recognition, all those stuff. And I gained hands-on experience in building the CNN architectures as well, and some little bit knowledge on that generative adversarial networks. That is all, right? So GANs open for whole new world of possibilities of creating the synthetic data and generating the realistic images. Understanding GANs was captivating part of this course, because generational adversarial networks, right, which I was taught, right, they won't get into more into the detail, but what is the generative, right, and like what is how this is getting trained. So I just little bit got, right, how this is getting trained. That is a good thing. And then the transfer learning and fine tuning, right, how you will do fine tuning on the particular domain of the model. And I explored the concept of transfer learning, where pre-trained models are utilized to solve new tasks efficiently. Fine tuning these models gave me the deeper understanding of the inner workings. And I just want to tell about the assignments, right, because importance of assignments and proctored exam is very important, because the course included regular assignments on every week that helped me to solidify my understanding of the concepts which was taught during the course. They pushed me to apply my knowledge, right, in practical scenarios, further enhancing my learning experience. And the proctored exam was challenging and it rewarding test of my comprehensive and problem solving skills. Okay, so then what I achieved, right? So achieving a consolidated score of 91% in both the assignments and proctored exam was a true testament to my hard work, right? So overall in my test assignments, they took 8 of my assignments, and I have got around 23.5 out of 25, and the remaining 75 marks was graded from proctored final exam, which where I was scored around 67.5 out of 75. And I'm very happy that I got into that elite group of NPTEL stars by scoring more than 90%. Right, so appreciation, right? So I just want to appreciate for the problem solving and the discussion forum group members as well, because see, apart from this course, right, regular weekly course which was done by the Professor Biswas, there was a big team involved. Like I just was attending this problem solving sessions, and there were some PhD students and other people from the NPTEL problem solving team. They were conducting some live sessions and problem solving sessions, right, which helped me, right? So how to think and how to solve those problems, and they were brought in some real use case scenarios, and they taught, right, how to do that in the Python as well, and how to really code these concepts into the practical way. And also we were doing some assignments, right? Apart from the assignments, we were doing some of the extra problem solvings which helped, right, actually to crack the exam. And I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the dedicated members of the problem solving and discussion forum team. But throughout the 3-month course, they played a crucial role, right? Because they organized the multiple online sessions, facilitating the discussions and clarifying everyone's doubts. The forum sessions provided the excellent platform, but right, for the interactive development, but more practical contents can be done. But there is no that much time available I understand that, but sharing our perspectives and seeking the guidance when we faced our challenges, right, they were really helpful to solve those and clarifying our doubts. The team's prompt responses and patient explanations helped us gain to the deeper understanding of the course material. Moreover, their efforts in organizing the practical hands-on sessions were right. That's what I told, right? Previously, they were doing some deep learning Python algorithms, executed them, were immensely beneficial. Particularly, I don't remember his name, but I think Harsha. But he was just explaining, right? Particularly solving some Python and executing the codes of those algorithms, CNN, adversarial networks, autoencoders, and so on. These sessions also help to apply the theoretical knowledge into the practical experience. Right, the problem solving. That's what, right. I told already that their dedication is very good. So, and also the supporting community learn members, right, the forum people who are responding to our questions. So thanks for all of your selfless efforts and continuous support they gave, right, and commitment toward the learning journey. And congratulations also, right, to the exam center invigilators and the team. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to the exam center invigilators and the entire team involved in conducting the NPTEL exams. The dedication, professionalism, and attention of detail ensured the success of administration of the exams. Right, as learners, what we can get, right. So we greatly appreciate, right, the efforts taken by the invigilators to maintain the secure and conducting environment. And that exam center was very good, instilled a sense of confidence and fairness among all the participants. The exam center was very good. And I want to express my gratitude to each of the exam center team for their hard work and commitment for their examination processes. And that's what, so I'm talking too much, but yeah, that's what, right. So I'm thanking everyone playing an integral role in our journey towards achieving academic excellence through NPTEL. And in conclusion, right, I just want to, this deep learning course from NPTEL IIT Kharagpur has been an incredible journey for me. It has more not expanded my knowledge, and right, it gives me accomplishment and confidence. I'm grateful for the opportunity to learn from the esteemed professors and to be a part of such a prestigious institution, right. Looking ahead, I plan to continue exploring the field of deep learning, and I planning to register more courses, because they are also conducting some of the courses like NLP, and also I'm looking forward, they plan to teach anything about LLM, chat GPT, right, because I'm looking forward for such kind of courses, and also like in-depth understanding of the computer vision, and also the NLP course, and staying up to date with the latest advancements, right. I encourage all of you to embrace lifelong learning and take advantage of these incredible resources available in the through the NPTEL. And thank you. I'm signing off, I'm just join me in celebrating this achievement. Your support and engagement mean that world to me, right. If you found this video inspiring and informative, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content, and share it with others, right. You might benefit from it. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions in the comment sections below. Wrapping up, right. So I just don't want to spend too much of time, but what I want to just tell and close is, this is a part of the incredible milestone in my academic journey. Stay motivated, keep learning, and together let's continue pushing the boundaries of the knowledge in the fascinating field of deep learning. Thank you. Bye. Cheers. It's bye bye from Sindil.